it's your girl Drew Sidora. I am here because I heard y'all wanted to come into my bathroom and see how I do things. All right, well, here we are. I just took my wig off, like right now. I'm not gonna lie. I need to begin this hair journey to get my hair in check. Get it together, get it healthy, get it back. So all my natural girls out there, I know y'all can relate because in between wearing wigs and protective styles, like we have to take care of our hair, right? So I am going to be using Camile Rose, picked it up from Target. I'm excited. The Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard, the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. I love her products because she uses all natural ingredients. I need to get my curls back. When y'all see my curls, you can tell me what kind of curl pattern I have. Let me know, because I'm really trying to learn, get knowledgeable here. But I will say this, before I take this towel off, all right? This is a no judgment zone, okay? And I know my natural girls can relate, so let's get into it. All right, so I'm about to use the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. And let me tell you, shrinkage is real, right? We all got it. The shrinkage is real. It is what it is. As you see what's going on, I have a little heat damage, over-processed. Let's get into it. I'm gonna lather. It smells so good, actually. We're just gonna use it. Oh my God. You know how good it feels when you get to touch your scalp after you've been having it braided up? And that's another thing I'll say, with the braids, with the lace and the lace glue, like all of that, you have to love on your edges, you gotta love on your scalp. And let me tell you something right now, touching my scalp, it feels so good. And it smells so good. This shampoo is just so relaxing and it's cleansing. It's got castor oil in it, so my hair, it just feels really soft, which is what we want, right? Gotta get into it. Don't be afraid. Get that scalp massaged. Trust me, if I can do this, anybody can do it. I'm a very simple girl, so I love it because it's easy, it lathered up, and I love the way my hair feels right now. So I'm gonna rinse this off. We're gonna condition it, all right? Let's go, baby. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. I'm confused with what my hair is doing right now. Is it straight? Is it curly? I see straight pieces, I see curls, I see waves. I'm confused. My hair was never like this before. So I just know I'm excited to use this Moroccan Pear Custard because I need my healthy hair back. Are we Brazilian? Like, what is my hair, guys? What is it? Can somebody tell me? Because I'm trying to figure it out right now. Yeah, so we're going to condition it because it definitely needs it. It needs a lot of it. Wait, let's hit it again. That wasn't enough. What I do love about it is it's like so smooth. It's very light. And it smells yet again so good. It's got Moroccan pear and cherry kernel oil. It definitely is smooth. My hair feels super soft. And so I feel what it's doing. It's making my hair really soft. And I read a lot of reviews, a lot of great reviews talking about Camile Rose products, and me experiencing it upholds to all the reviews I read. You have to experience it for yourself. It's definitely working with my hair texture. Really, guys, like our crowns are all we got. All I have is my hair. And so it is so important that I really recognize what I'm putting in my hair, and my hairstylist told me and recommended these products because it's going to help my cuticle. It's going to help my scalp, which is so important for me to grow out my hair. So let's take care of our crowns, ladies, all right? So I am extremely happy with how this feels on my hair. I'm going to let this conditioner sit for 10 minutes. Got my shower cap here. And as a mom, it is important that you just take time for yourself. I'm gonna go cook a little something for my babies, let this just settle in, because it is important that I take care of me, all right? We'll come back, I'll rinse this out, see what we got. All right, so it's time to rinse it out. It's been sitting for about 10 minutes. And oh my God, look. Now that, you see this curl right here? This is the curl that I want all over my head. So that's what we wanna see. I'm so happy. Oh snap, my scalp, it feels so clean. My hair, it feels so soft. I'm so happy. And now I have to get into the most important part, which is my edges. We need to keep our edges, ladies. So the Rejuva drops, grow back. I am so excited because we have to take care of our edges and our scalp. You can apply this, just 2 to 3 drops is all you need. You can massage it, make sure I get my edges back and healthy, like right in there. And so I'll just take it and apply it to my scalp. And even this right here, let me tell you, it feels like a little tingling. It just feels really good. Feels really cool on my scalp. And yeah, that's it. So make sure you get the Rejuva drops, the Grow Back. Thank you for experiencing this with me. I appreciate it. I had a lot of fun doing this and it was super simple. Thank you, Camile Rose.